Hey guys, so today I want to make quickly a video here comparing S-Voice, which is Samsung's own voice assistant, versus Apple's, of course, Siri voice assistant. So let's do a quick little comparison here. We're gonna ask them a bunch of questions, so this could be fun. Oops, let's see here, I failed. What's the weather like?
I don't know where you are, but you can help me find out. In privacy settings, choose location services and turn on both location services and Siri. Or you can just tell me where to check the weather.
Okay, the first thing you notice here, of course, is that Apple's voice assistant...
No location information available. City or GPS information is required to provide weather results.
So what we can see here is that Siri was definitely faster. Here we need to activate the GPS. So what we just do here is we just go down like this. And then probably just hold in here. Okay, I agree. Here we need to go into privacy settings, choose location services. I do find it a little bit annoying that it doesn't automatically link me to that place. Okay, privacy settings, choose location services. So, go in here maybe. And then there we go. Okay, and then we pick which apps that will have access, maybe like so. Purple location service account will appear next, and the recently used. Okay. What's the weather like?
Some bad weather coming up between today and Saturday. Down to 6 degrees Celsius and raining.
Here is the weather for Carolina. Got both sun and rain today.
Okay, that was a failure. What's the weather like?
Here is the weather for Nkoping, Uppsala. Today's 14 degrees and overcast with a few showers.
So you can never see there when we just asked a simple little question there that Apple's definitely here is better with Siri and their own voice assistant. Definitely quicker. So much quicker actually. Okay, let's try another thing. Set timer for 8 minutes.
Okay, 8 minutes and counting.
Set timer for 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes and say start, cancel, or repeat the time.
Start.
Start timer.
So I mean, this one is a little bit slower, I would say. I mean, why do you have to say start? Isn't it kind of obvious when you do this and set the timer that you instantly want to start it up? Yeah, that's a good question. Set alarm at 6:15 a.m.
I've set an alarm for 6:15 a.m.
Did this one think I was saying the same thing? Set alarm at 6:15 a.m.
Start timer.
What? Set alarm at 6:15 a.m.
Start timer.
Okay, that's retarded. Stop.
Stop timer.
Stop.
Stop timer.
What is it doing? Okay, what do I need to do to fix that? That's pretty messed up. Set alarm at 6:15 a.m.
Start timer.
What the fuck does that even mean? I mean, come on, man. Press the button or say what? What is 2 plus 2? Why is it so slow?
Set timer for what is 2 plus 2. Say start, cancel, or repeat the time.
Oh my god. Okay, so I mean, as you can clearly see, I mean, you get kind of you get pissed off. You get pissed off. Don't use S voice. It sucks. What is 2 plus 2?
Let me check on that. The answer is 4.
Have a look at timer.
Here's the timer.
Oh my god, it just works. It works. Set alarm at 5 a.m.
Set timer for 5 a.m.
No!
Say start, cancel,
No!
repeat the time.
No! I'm trying to set an alarm. Why doesn't it work? Oh my god, that's fucking retarded. What is 2 plus 18 minus 8?
Set timer
Checking.
for what is 2 plus
The
18
answer is
minus
12.
8.
Wow,
Say
this is
start,
super retarded.
cancel.
Cancel. Is that what I have to say?
Okay, cancelled.
Set alarm at 6:15 a.m.
Should I save this alarm set for
Okay, so now
06:15?
it works. Okay, so but it was still a little bit confusing. It was still a little bit confusing how that worked. How many people live in Sweden?
The population of Sweden is about 9,556,000.
I mean, look at this. This one is so slow that
Alright, this is your alarm for 06:15. Do you want to save this alarm?
oh my god. That's retarded. That's retarded and annoying. Note, I hate S voice so much that I want to throw up.
Should I
You don't
save
have
this
any
alarm
notes.
set for 06:15?
Okay. Okay, I mean, we have a winner here. We have a winner, and it's Apple. It's simple. They know what they're doing. S voice is a joke. Have a good day.